Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If it is your first time here, my name is Monica. I love music, I love sing and dance. I'm not able to sing because my throat is not good again. But I can talk. So I'm gonna react to Diana Ankudinova. I was watching a concert from her channel. If the name is correct, because there was one song that she missed. It is on the description, so I believe she wrote all those songs. It is strong enough, but I'm gonna put in Russian as well. If the name it is not right, let me know in the comment. I'm gonna fix the title and let's listen this one together. Before I go to the video, like always, I'm gonna ask you if you like my reactions. Don't forget to like, and if you like, subscribe to my channel. This is the last song from the concert. By the name, I don't know the song, but well, I'm gonna find out now. One more thing, the translator, especially in this concert, it is horrible. So I don't know what they were talking between the songs. And already talking too much, right? So let's go in 3, 2, 1. Also the title. I think I heard it. Okay.
Не отворачивай голову птицами с волшебными лицами, чистыми, высокими, гордыми, птицами, летящими за море, чтобы вернуться и заново в клюве, как созвездие спицами. Помнишь, нас учили быть птицами. О, 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 птицами. О, нас учили быть птицами. О, о, птицами. Помнишь, нас учили жить с песнями. Так нам не сиделось за партами. Мы бежали в рай, но что-то где под лестницей маялась гитара инфарктами. И не поняли, не открыли мы, трогая ресницы ресницами, что уже тогда были с крыльями. Помнишь, нас учили быть птицами. О, 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 птицами. О, нас учили быть птицами. О, о, птицами. О, нас учили быть птицами. Помнишь, нас учили быть птицами. Чистыми, помнишь? Нас учили быть птицами. Птицами. Нас учили быть птицами. Птицами. Нас учили быть птицами.
I don't know. Okay. Okay. End of the concert. I'm not gonna keep on watching because, like I said, the subtitles, the translator, it is horrible, especially in this video. I don't know the reason. It is not the translator. It is not 100% good, but I can get some words here and them. So let me just say that her energy is so cool. I feel like I am in a concert, and I mentioned in another video, I don't know in which order you are gonna watch. She's amazing. And I hope you enjoy the video. Send me more suggestions, and I'll see you all in the next one, and it is gonna be very soon.